Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power from the controller so you can work safely. Once done, remove the back shell screws and lift the plate carefully. You are looking for loose parts and dirt that hinder travel. Make sure to photograph screw locations and where springs sit for reassembly. You need a Torx T6 and a plastic pry tool. This prevents stripping and scratching. Take your time. Rushing causes lost parts and improper alignment later. Now you clean the internal surfaces and moving parts so the trigger slides freely. You scrub contact pads and the trigger potentiometer with 90% isopropyl to remove oils and debris. This restores consistent input voltage. Next, inspect and, if needed, replace or reposition the small spring that returns the trigger. A weak spring causes sluggish response. Once parts look right, reassemble just enough to press the triggers manually and confirm smooth, full-range travel before final reassembly. Finish by reassembling the shell evenly and torquing screws snug, but not tight so plastic isn't stressed. Then reconnect power and run calibration in the console settings. You will verify axis range and dead zone. If triggers still feel off, try a software reset and test on another console or PC to isolate hardware from firmware. If physical binding or inconsistent inputs remain, replace the trigger module or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.